Well, how Hunter children to do this? Year the Queen Quet coming to Hunter right up front the Gullah Geechee Garden. This year Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Open them and mail one more again. This year one from Colleton County, right there where my family did in Walterboro. What going on, my Walterboro Library family, the Colleton County Memorial Library family, been hanging with y'all over a decade and things like that. And rather was the people over at the Colleton Museum and the Farmers Market. Thank you for having things over yonder in there. So if Hunter children going to Colleton County, make sure you go by them two places and let them know that Queen Quet send you. Well, look where it send me. We get this year from the council right yonder in Colleton County. You can see their logo up on top. It said proclaiming the week of July 30th to August 7, 2016 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Colleton County is one of the oldest counties in South Carolina, and in the 18th century, Colleton County and the South Carolina coast became the locale of some of the richest rice plantations in the South, which were linked to specific West African ethnic groups who became known as Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee civilization originated in West Africa, and its people came to the United States enslaved to work on rice plantations, specifically in the coastal regions, including South Carolina, and with their African fare, original language, and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people have left their mark on the southeastern South Carolina coast. And whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful effect and powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, including Colleton County, and these Gullah Geechee influences have helped to define our southern lifestyle and culture. And whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum throughout the Gullah Geechee because of the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act created by the United States Representative James Clyburn, as well as the efforts of those such as Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shah, co-founders of the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, and the annual Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week celebration. Whereas it is appropriate to recognize the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all the contributions that Gullah Geechees have given to our area. Now, therefore, be it resolved that Colleton County Council does hereby recognize the 2016 Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival and proclaims the week of July 30th to August 7, 2016 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Colleton County, and encourages its citizens to participate in educational activities aimed at increasing both knowledge and appreciation for this rich culture, and is signed by both the clerk of the council and Chairman Murdoch, who I met last year because I was able to attend the council meeting. This year I couldn't be in two places at one time and didn't have a hologram to send. So thank you, Colleton County. I was at another county council meeting about 2 hours away and wasn't there to get this in person. And I know that I was missed from the meeting and I missed being there. But thank you for cracking your teeth with me and things like that and sending this year for Northsea Hunter to celebrate this celebration of self-determination with we. And Hunter children, if you ain't done get you still got time. Follow we at Gullah Geechee. Come on out to the festival. If Hunter want to go on to gullahgeechee.info and join me. Head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. This year the Queen Quet. And we got them going on this Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. See you soon, children. Peace and blessings.